accountability finally comes knocking, those once shielded by power are now being dragged into the halls of justice. In a case that puts public funds under a microscope, officials and contractors now face the music before a court in Bulacan. The full report from our Carlo Luis Candelaria.
Assistant Ombudsman Miko Clavano and DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon personally went to the Malolos Regional Trial Court to file criminal complaints against several officials of the DPWH Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office and officials of the Diskaya-owned St. Timothy Construction Corporation. Among those charged are former DPWH engineers Bryce Hernandez, JP Mendoza, and other officials of the Bulacan 1st District DEO, as well as spouses Curly and Sara Diskaya and Maria Angeline Rimando. The complaints stem from an anomalous flood control project in Barangay Bulusan, Kalumpit, Bulacan, worth 53.9 million pesos.
Ito yung mga flood control na binaboy. Na ang nangyari, yung Bulusan, yung Quezon, yung Frances, yung tatlong barangay sa Kalumpit, hanggang ngayon, taon-taon na, binabaha pa rin. Yung mga kababayan natin, kahit summer, binabaha doon. Dahil na rin sa kababuyan na ginawa nitong mga taong to. Kasama na yung mag-asawang Diskaya.
The accused are facing charges for violation of RA 3019 or the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act and malversation of public funds. According to Assistant Ombudsman Miko Clavano, the dredging and embankment items were paid in full despite the lack of requisite documents proving the completion of the said project.
The findings of the Office of the Ombudsman reveal an utter and flagrant disregard for government, auditing, and accounting regulations.
Meanwhile, Secretary Dizon said the Ombudsman thoroughly prepared the case and he is confident that they have sufficient evidence to convict those charged. He also promised that the DPWH will continue fixing the neglected flood control projects in Barangay Bulusan, especially with the onset of the rainy season and the upcoming return to school of students.
Makakaasa sila base sa direktiba ng Pangulo na aayusin natin lahat ng mga binaboy na project ng mga Diskaya at ng mga tauhan ng DPWH.
The case will now proceed to trial, wherein the Office of the Ombudsman is expected to present evidence to hold accountable the individuals involved in the misuse of public funds. Carlo Luis Candelaria from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.